Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, this is day 6 of the Beauty Anti-Aging Challenge, and today we are talking about teeth. If you're just tuning in, my name is Lisa. I'm the owner of Peaches Skincare, and I teach beauty naturally. This has really been so much fun, and I hope that you're all watching it. I hope you will watch till the end. That does help to get my videos shown more on YouTube, and you'd be surprised how many people don't even know I'm out there. So I'm so grateful for all of you that are tuning in. Please subscribe if you are even watching this video, and please like, and always comment with love and kindness below. Teeth. I want to just tell you a couple things that you can do to make your teeth look white. I think it's so important to have clean white teeth as we age. It really gives us a more youthful look. Now, before you comment on my teeth, we were very poor as children. We never went to the dentist. In fact, the first time I went to the dentist is when I got married to my husband, Kent. I do have a lot of fillings. My teeth are very white. I'm very lucky for that, but I do take very good care of them. But I never had braces or anything. So if you do have a crooked tooth or an odd tooth, don't stress about it. Just try to get them as white as you can, and it's going to make you feel better. I also know there are a lot of things out there now online where you can get trays to make your teeth look more straight. I can't think what they're called. So there are a lot of alternatives, but these are some simple at-home tips. Now, I do believe in flossing every morning and night, and I also do it in the afternoon after I eat lunch or if I've had a snack. And I know some of you are probably laughing, well, of course I floss, but there are a lot of people who do not know about flossing. In fact, I didn't know how to floss until I met my husband, Kent. So floss your teeth, making sure the inner parts of your teeth or in between your teeth are clean. I know there's also little cleaning sticks you can use for in there, but I try to keep those very clean. You can certainly use a whitening toothbrush, but something that I like to do is keep baking soda in a little container, and I'm not going to do it for you right now because I won't be able to talk into it, but I'll pour some hydrogen peroxide on my toothbrush. I'll dip it into the baking soda, and I brush my teeth with the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and it does wonders for getting your teeth white. Now, I'm not a lover of crest strips. You all know I'm very natural, and I try to keep good things for our bodies, but I do use one every once in a while, and I know they're probably poison. They are poison. But I find that every once in a while I can just take one of these white strips, put it on my teeth, and it really just gives me a nice whitening effect or takes off any tartar or anything yellow. With COVID, we have not been able to go get our teeth cleaned or have not chosen to just yet. And typically we go about every 6 months, especially because my teeth are so soft. So it's really been important to take care of them at home. So floss. You can use a whitening strip. I love hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. If you have any ideas, go ahead and comment below and share them with all of us. But try to keep your teeth looking really nice and white and bright, and it's going to make you look and appear more healthy, more glowing, and more youthful. One more idea on how to grow old naturally and beautifully, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.